Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V40 SE, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible on the second page right over here. Once you see it, first time around I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. And additionally you can also set up a schedule in here and toggle it on. One last option here that is very useful is the duration for manual turn on, which allows you to, for instance, change it from run until you turn it off to something like run for a specific amount of hours, which I personally prefer more over the until turn off, as if you forget about it, it will just run in the background forever. So this at least means that if I forget about it, the device will turn it off for me after the time passes. Now, once everything is set, you can then find the toggle and simply tap on it to turn it on. Now with my 4 hours being set, it looks like it's going to run till 11:33 p.m, at which point it's going to automatically turn itself off. But like I said before, you can do that yourself as well by tapping on a toggle, and obviously that cancels the timer and turns it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.